Hey friends, we are in Apple Numbers today, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to sum a column and individual cells if you'd rather do it that way. It's a very easy process. You just basically need to know the formula and a couple of quick shortcuts. So as you can see, you've got a really basic spreadsheet going here. We've got some sales folks, we've got the months, and we've got their sales commissions within these boxes. Let's create a total section right here that's going to sum all of the numbers in these columns. Now you can actually have this sum up here at the top. You basically really can customize this. So let's select this box down here. This is the box where we want our total to show up. And what I'm going to do is I am going to click the equal button on my keyboard. That's automatically going to bring up the function feature. And once we have the function box open and ready, you can see you can actually come over here on the right and use all sorts of different options here that will auto-populate for you. So I'm going to type in sum. Once we have sum populated, here again is a really nice, easy shortcut. I'm just going to start at the top cell that I want to start with, into the bottom cell here, and I'm just going to drag down just like that. And once I release, you can see that it's going to auto-populate all of those numbers. Again, having that colon in between the two cells ensures that everything in between is going to be added up. We can then either click this little green checkbox or you can hit enter on your keyboard and voila. The total now shows up down here. Now the nice thing is you can always adjust this by coming up here and grabbing one of these dots, and we can slide up or down, and as you can see the formula simply adjusts with our mouse. Again, when you're finished, just hit that enter button or check mark. Now, what if you wanted to create a cell that just added up some individual cells from the different columns? Well, that's actually really easy as well. Again, I'm going to hit that equals button on my keyboard to bring up our function, and then check this out. I'm just going to click the individual cells that I want to add up, and it's intuitive enough to understand that I just want to add all of these numbers together. Once I'm done, again, we'll click that little checkbox, and there you go. All of those cells are now added up. I hope that's helped, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and then stay tuned because we are making a bunch more of these little Apple Numbers tutorial videos to help make your life a little bit easier. See you again on the next one.